Hey my beauties, you are gonna love this video because today we're talking about the kind of love that doesn't shout but stays. Not the loud gestures or dramatic lines, but the quiet actions that make a girl feel chosen, safe, and deeply valued. These are the things girls don't always ask for but secretly hope for. Before we start, make sure you like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to SoulSync because this channel is all about soft love, emotional intelligence, and real connection. Trust me, don't skip any point, because one of these might be the exact thing she's been waiting to feel. All right, let's begin. 1. Remember the small things she mentions. When you remember small details about her, it makes her feel seen. Not the obvious things everyone notices, but the tiny things she mentioned casually, like her favorite snack, the song she listens to on repeat, or something she doesn't like. These details tell her you were listening, not just hearing. She feels important when her words stay with you. It makes her feel like she matters even when she's not around. That her presence doesn't disappear once the conversation ends. It creates emotional safety without her even realizing it. Girls don't need grand gestures every day. They need consistency and care. Remembering small things shows emotional effort, and emotional effort is what makes a girl feel special. 2. Make her feel chosen. Not optional. There's a big difference between liking someone and choosing them. When you make time for her, she feels prioritized. When you show up when you say you will, she feels secure. That consistency speaks louder than words. She notices when she's not treated like a backup plan. When she's not only talked to out of boredom, feeling chosen makes her relax emotionally. And when a girl feels relaxed, she opens up more. Being chosen makes her feel safe to invest emotionally. It builds trust slowly but deeply. That kind of security is rare, and rarity creates attachment. 3. Compliment her in ways no one else does. Anyone can call her pretty. She's heard that before. But when you compliment her mind, her energy, or the way she exists, it feels different. Those compliments feel personal and real. Tell her what makes her unique, the way she talks when she's excited, the way she cares deeply, or the calm she brings without trying. Those words stay with her longer. When she feels admired for who she is, not just how she looks, she feels special. It makes her feel chosen emotionally, and that kind of validation hits deep. 4. Be gentle with her feelings. Protecting her emotions is one of the biggest signs of care. Being mindful of her insecurities matters. Not teasing what she's sensitive about, not dismissing her feelings when she opens up. She feels safe when she knows you won't hurt her intentionally, that you won't use her vulnerability against her. Emotional gentleness builds trust faster than attraction ever could. When a girl feels emotionally protected, she relaxes. She stops guarding her heart so tightly, and that's when real connection begins. 5. Let her be soft around you. When she doesn't have to impress you, she feels comfortable. When she can be quiet, emotional, or messy without judgment, she feels safe. That kind of comfort is rare and valuable. She notices when she doesn't have to perform around you, when she can just exist. That ease creates emotional closeness without effort. It makes her feel accepted as she is. Being a safe space is deeply attractive. It makes her associate peace with you, and peace is something a girl never forgets. 6. Include her in your world. Telling her about your day makes her feel included. Sharing small thoughts, random moments, or future plans brings her closer emotionally. She feels like she's part of your life, not separate from it. Inclusion creates intimacy. It makes her feel trusted. She feels important when you let her in naturally, without forcing anything. When she feels included, she feels valued. It makes her want to invest emotionally. An emotional investment is what makes her feel special. Make her feel desired, not pressured. There's a difference between desire and pressure. When you show interest without rushing her, it feels respectful. When you admire her without demanding anything, it feels safe. She feels wanted, not used. Desired, not rushed. That balance makes her feel emotionally secure. It allows attraction to grow naturally. When desire feels safe, it becomes stronger. She feels special because she's respected, and respect makes attraction last longer. 8. Show up emotionally, not just physically. Being there emotionally matters more than showing up physically. Listening when she's overwhelmed. Staying calm when she's emotional. Being present without fixing everything. She remembers who stayed when she wasn't at her best, who didn't disappear when things got heavy. Emotional presence leaves a deep impression. That's how you become unforgettable. Not by doing too much, but by being there when it matters. And that's what truly makes her feel special. Making her feel special isn't about doing more, it's about caring better. Presence, intention, and emotional effort change everything. If this video resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. And tell me in the comments, what makes you feel special when someone does it for you? Let's build a space where softness is strength,